Happy Tuesday, everybody. And before we get into these unexpected penny finds, remember, in your store, you have to match up the exact UPC. There are many items that may look similar, but they have to be the exact item in order to be the penny item.
Oh hey, all you beautiful penny shoppers out there. So I'm at Dollar General. I actually came running to get the soda deal. I looked here for 90% off Brown Dot. Once again, I didn't look good enough because I just spotted one. So let's see what we can find once we actually dig. Alright, so I do not own the copyrights to any music you may hear. I was actually doing some research for remodels, and I was pulling something and I was like, wait, is that a paw print I see? And I'll be danged, it is. It is a paw print. In fact, it's the big treat container. I only found the little. So there's the big boy. How exciting. This store is a newer store. They're very good about pulling. So like I said, I came through here just to get stuff. Just my normal everyday stuff. And I kind of glanced and, you know, I'm like, oh, they don't have anything. Well, I should have looked closer. That's okay. Might as well get them on Saturday. Okay. I don't even know where to dig. I thought I saw something speckled. No, that's the purple dot cups. That's purple dot as well. Ooh, now I found some spoon rests that were core. Holy crap. See, I haven't found these. You guys saw me find a bunch of dishes and bowls. Yeah. I needed the spoon rest to go with. So even if you check a store, maybe you should go back with fresh eyes, because clearly I suck. No, like I said, I didn't really dig because I was in a hurry. What was I? Oh, I was getting the chicken. It was right after we got back from vacation. I had 50,000 things in my head, and I was just coming to get some food because we were out of food. Well, not out, but you know. And I was trying to get the chicken cash back deal. Oh, and surprise. Okay, see, these used to be Brown Dot. They brought them back out core, but I just lifted that. There's a Brown Dot one in the back. Holy moly. I need to get my shat together. This is the second store that I actually saw before Tuesday and said, oh, they don't have anything. Oh yeah, because I came here for soda, yeah. They're totally freaking out. Like, literally, they have no Pepsi, no Mountain Dew. I'm like, oh, heck. Well, I guess I'll look for pennies and do some research. And I didn't think I'd find any, but here we are. Party stuff. Oh, I see something plaid. Hold on. Or not plaid, but like crisscross. Crisscross. What's down there? Yep. Hey, pretty. And right in front of my face, there's our plastic shower hooks. These are, I didn't realize, there are gray ones and clear ones. So I have not given you the UPC for the gray. It is different. Well, this is just turning out even better than I thought. Hey, did I mention I don't own the copyrights to any music you may hear?
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up. Working all the time, make it duller. Be a student, tie to make $1. Wanna live life like I'm on vacation. Gotta get those good vibrations. Oh, glowing so bright, I'm going so high. I'm riding high and it's just closer. Loving what I do and I know nothing gets me down. 'Cause I can turn it round like wanna have a party, let it all hang out. Come on, let me show you what it's all about. Like I like it better when we all get loud.
Holy crap, this manager's gonna flip. I stopped coming to this store a long time ago because they really are good. But I was walking by and I'm like, wait, isn't that? Oh my gosh. She's gonna flip out. I actually came for coupon stuff and soda because the other place was totally out of soda. Oh, I haven't found anything here, well, in a long time. That's why I stopped coming. Guess I'm gonna have to look a little bit more before I leave. Yes. Hey guys, hey. Easy Penny Shopping. Today is Monday, July 32nd. I think July 8th. Anyways, I'm on my way to get half-price frozen food, but I decided to stop at a store that I don't normally get much. But I thought, you know, gotta check it. We have a winner. So I wanted to show you a comparison real quick first. Because I know this is confusing some people. Where did it go? Oh. So these, there are core wall shelves that are full price. You've got to find the one with the brown dot. I mean, I would still check to make sure nobody removed the dot, but you've got to make sure you're matching the UPC or the brown dot. But, so you know, I'm going through all the boxed stuff, right? I'm like, okay, no, wait, this is a 2-tier. Oh, it is. I don't come here anymore because they're really good. All right, so we are loaded down with half-price frozen food. But wait, it was even better because coupons, cash back, that's where you guys need to make sure that before you go buy half-price frozen food, you're actually getting the most for your money, and I'm going to show you that. But I am stopping real quick at this DG on my way home because the last 3 times I've stopped, they've been closed because they're understaffed. I'm hoping that means there's a bunch of brown dot in there because they haven't had time to pull it. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Heck yeah. I already see one. Bam. Oh, how exciting. So if there's one, there could be more.
Nope, only one.
Please make sure if you're going out to get half-price frozen food before a remodel, you clip your coupons. Look at the coupons I utilized yesterday, some of them a couple different times. So, not only did I get half-price frozen and refrigerated food, but I also saved additional money with coupons, and I also earned cash back, which I later used to buy milk because milk's too expensive. So I got $8.47 cash back on this account. I got $4.50 cash back on this one. If you stayed this long, good job. These are still a penny, and these were also found for a penny. Keep your eyes open.